Hello, everyone. This is my mini freezer refrigerator. I've had it for around, I believe it was around almost in about 5 years. But like they say, all good things must come to an end. It isn't broken down. Because I got this one from I believe it was in Best Buy. Best Buy for $159. And so I would like to know if there's anyone out there that would like to sell me a mini freezer refrigerator for a good economical price that's cheaper than 159. Because this is in my bedroom. This is the perfect size. So let me know. Let me know if you'll be willing to sell me a cheaper mini freezer refrigerator. Drop a comment drop a comment on my YouTube page. And my YouTube page. Sorry about that. My YouTube page number is Patricia Freeman 2882. Patricia Freeman 2882. Please let me know, because I need to share house with for the women, and for my own protection and safety. I like having my own refrigerator in my room. And then plus it is it doesn't take up space in the main refrigerator in the kitchen. So then please let me know if somebody's out there that's willing to sell me a mini refrigerator freezer that's less than 159. Okay, thank you. Until next time. Love you guys. I'm looking forward to hearing from you, because I definitely need another one ASAP. But this lasted a good while. Okay, love you guys. Till next time. Okay, bye bye.